do you do with that?
Put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket. Oh, what's over there? Oh, there's more balls. Put it in. Yay!
Good job.
Yeah. Okay.
Good job.
Yay! Good job. You're right.
There's another one.
Yay! You're doing so good. Yay!
Jack, look. They're all over here.
Oh, okay. Oh, good reach.
Don't open it yet.
Just put them in the basket. Good.
Oh.
Oh, darn. What did you... Uh-oh. What's in there? The chocolate? Oh, no. What is it? Yummy.
Hey, I gotta get you.
Hey, Jack, can you say Mama? Good. Say Daddy. Say Elizabeth. Say Isaac. Good. Say Elizabeth. Say Doggy. Oh. Say hot. Say water.
What does the doggy say?
What does the cow say?
Meh.
Good. Can you say tickle, tickle, tickle? Say papa. Good. Say grandma. Say ball. Good. Where's your nose? Good. Very good.
Peekaboo!
What are you doing? Eating it?
Peekaboo!
Oh, we were just.
Hey, don't eat it. Oh, don't eat it.
Oh,
Oh.
you bit it?
Peekaboo!
Why do you always eat that book?
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
What does the doggy say? Good. What does the cow say?
I see fluffy kitten kisses. I see furry puppy kisses.
Hey, Jack, say mama. Say daddy.
Say ball.
Say Elizabeth. Say Isaac. Good. Say hot. Good. Say tickle, tickle, tickle. Honey.